Elffin goes down to the shore. He looks at his nets as the sun comes up and the sea goes down. Not a single fish. He had been promised wealth. He had been promised success, and instead there was nothing. He went down to the nets to have a good look at his bad luck, and there really was nothing there apart from a stone. He wanted to kick that stone. But as he did so, he noticed there was something strange about it. He picked it up, and as soon as he had it in his hands, he knew there was something very odd about this stone. It was far too light. He took it to the shore, he put it down on the ground, he had a closer look. It was covered in limpets and barnacles and seaweed, but there was no mistaking that along its length there was a line of stitches. This was some kind of bag. He took his knife and he started to unpick those stitches one by one, very carefully, until there was a gap big enough for him to get his thumbs underneath the sides of the bag and slowly ease it open. And as he did so, out of the bag appeared a face, a baby's face. The forehead of this baby's face was gleaming with a golden light. It shone as brightly as the sun itself. And without thinking, Elffin, he blinked and he said the words, Taliesin. Taliesin. Shining forehead. Yeah, said the baby. Taliesin, do we? Elffin stepped back. A talking baby. What was this? He gently eased the baby out of the bag, and then he took one of the baskets that was intended for the fish, took off his sheepskin-lined cloak and put it inside as a kind of nest for the baby, picked the baby up, put the baby inside the basket, and then attached the basket to the side of his horse's saddle, mounted the horse, and slowly and carefully he made the horse walk back to his father's castle. And as he did so, the baby, Taliesin, looked around at the beauty that surrounded him. And as he looked, he spoke. But not baby talk, poetry.
Elffin deg, byddem ddedwydd. Elffin deg, byddem ddedwydd. Elffin deg, byddem ddedwydd. Danfon wedi ti brydydd. Elffin deg, byddem ddedwydd. Danfon wedi ti brydydd. Elffin deg, byddem ddedwydd.
Elffin deg, byddem ddedwydd. For Elffin, my friend, be happy.
Elffin deg, rhaid ag wylo, y sawnaf, doed a felo.
Dear Elffin, be happy. You have been good to me, and I shall be good to you.
Rhinwedd sydd ar fy mhafod, wedi di lawer y feddwl.
My speech is miraculous. You will see things much stranger than this. I might be little, but I'm clever.
Rhinwedd sydd ar fy mhafod, wedi di lawer y feddwl.
My speech is miraculous. Elffin deg, my friend, be happy.
Elffin deg, rhaid ag wylo, y sawnaf, doed a felo.
Elffin deg, my dear friend, do not cry, be happy.
Byddem ddedwydd.
Elffin, Elffin, be happy.
Elffin deg, byddem ddedwydd.
Elffin deg, my friend, be happy. The sea has sent you a poet.